Ma.
Oh yeah, this is for the daily Jigsaw thing that Cranium and I have to do.
Mama.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna film you if that's okay.
Ma.
This is Lump. He is in the fridge, as usual.
Ma.
Sorry, I didn't mean anything by that, but you have been known to eat food. So, what you're gonna eat today? Is it gonna be an apple, or some bread, or some juices of some sort?
Ma.
Okay, we'll just do a more documentary approach. We'll hang back. Won't say a word.
Ma.
Won't say.
Ma.
Won't say.
Ma.
And it looks like Lump has decided against the fridge.
Ma.
Wait, no. Sorry, I didn't mean to mess things up. Oh, if you'd let me film you do stuff interesting, then I'll buy a pizza.
Ma.
Okay, so we'll just follow you and I'll go order a pizza when we're done.
Ma.
And you can do something interesting whenever you're ready. Anytime.
Ma. 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 Ma.
Okay, that's not gonna buy you two toppings.
Ma.